Hey, hey, Percy. Conrad's getting a brand new caboose. Well, I don't think you should because that's the weird piece of road section you're gonna break them. But a caboose. But those things are big and menacing and tower over you. And if they tip over, they're gonna crush you any moment. You need help, Percy. So everyone, you all gather around here to welcome yourselves to Bruno.
Hello. That's the smallest caboose I have ever seen.
Hi, I'm Samantha.
Old railroad called me a brake car, actually. What's brake car? That sounds pretty goofy. It does sound pretty goofy, doesn't it?
Man, I can't believe you're the perfect size for the bridge loading gauge, because if you weren't, I was about to break up. That's, my joke sucks. Tell me a joke.
Give me a break. Get it?
Because you're a brake car. Oh, man. I don't know what brake car means. First, was so afraid that you were going to be a big caboose, big and scary, man. This is crazy.
Do you think that's crazy? Wait until you meet my brother. Fixed car Uno.
That joke was so funny. Wait, what? Hey guys, I'm Fixed Car Uno. How are you doing today? What is the actual boiler explosion? Oh man, I'm about to tip over. Oh, skip that.
Wow, Fixed Car Uno. Hey, it's been a long time. Where you been, man? Where you been?
Hey guys, what did I miss? Wow, it's more crazy than jelly-filled Joe nuts.
That's pretty funky.
Brake car Bruno, and Edward. Yeah, oh, brake car Bruno.